We begin with the topic for today, log tables. Now, the source of the question. Here is the instruction for the question. We must evaluate the cube root of 0.246 times 1.023. First, we take the logarithm of the entire expression. Remember the root law for logarithms. A cube root means we divide the logarithm by 3. Applying that law, we write 1/3 times the log of the product. Now, we use the product law. Multiplication inside the log becomes addition of logs. So we split the log of the product into the sum of two logs. From the log table, the log of 0.246 is bar 1.3909. From the log table, the log of 1.023 is 0.0098. Now, we add the two logarithms. This gives bar 1.4007. So the log of the product equals bar 1.4007. If this explanation is helping, please subscribe for more WAC math solutions. Now, apply the cube root. Dividing the logarithm by 3 gives the log of the whole expression. The bar notation means a negative characteristic. Bar 1.4007 means bar 1 plus 0.4007. To divide easily, we borrow 2 from the mantissa. So we rewrite it as bar 3 plus 2.4007. Now divide each part by 3. This gives bar 1 plus 0.8002. So the final log value is bar 1.8002. Let x be the original number. Then log x equals bar 1.8002. To convert back, remember the Antilog rule. If log b equals c, then 10 to the power c equals b. So x equals 10 to the power bar 1.8002. From the Antilog table, x equals 0.6313. Therefore, the cube root of 0.246 times 1.023 equals 0.6313. Don't forget to subscribe for more.